Hello, and welcome to the AI Influencer course. In this course, you will learn how to create an AI influencer for social media. This is a step-by-step complete tutorial on how to build a hyper-realistic AI model for a social media business. These are the top skills you will learn in this course. You will learn how to create AI models using Stable Diffusion and Midjourney. We are going in detail about how to use each of these softwares. You will learn how to create the same model in different scenes. We will use techniques such as face swapping to put the face of your model on different bodies in different scenes. I will also show you how to fix common mistakes in AI models. By the end of this course, you will feel confident in using this software to create AI influencers that are highly realistic and that you can promote on Instagram or other social media. In the next video, I will explain in more detail which tools we will be using.